Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make restaurant-style tomato soup. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe, red tomatoes, 1 medium onion, 1 carrot, and 1 celery stalk. Don't forget a good quality vegetable or chicken broth, and a splash of heavy cream or a pat of butter for that luxurious finish. These foundational elements are key to achieving a truly exceptional flavor profile. Next, let's get cooking. In a large pot, sauté your chopped onions, carrots, and celery in a tablespoon of olive oil until they are tender, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, add your diced tomatoes and 4 cups of broth. Bring it to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for at least 20 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to fully develop and deepen. Now for the magic touch, blending. Carefully transfer the soup to a blender or use an immersion blender directly in the pot. Blend until it's incredibly smooth and velvety. For an even more refined, restaurant-quality texture, you can push the soup through a fine mesh sieve. Finally, stir in about 1/4 cup of heavy cream or 2 tablespoons of butter to enrich the soup and give it that signature, luxurious finish. Your exquisite restaurant-style tomato soup is now ready to be enjoyed. Ladle it into bowls and garnish with a few fresh basil leaves, a swirl of good olive oil, or even some homemade croutons. It pairs wonderfully with a classic grilled cheese sandwich or a slice of crusty bread for dipping. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to enhance your kitchen and lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.